700 exercise number 34. Ready? You will not find it a waste of time to do this. First up, the good situations in offices are given to those who can do better than the masses. First up, there is to the question of your finding happiness in your work. First up, if when you get out of bed each morning, you know that you are going into an office where you will be asked to do just a little more than you are able to do, you will not feel very happy about it. First up, you will perhaps feel like the little girl who was 5 years old and had been at school for 3 weeks. First up, she was asked by her mother, well, and how do you like school? Question mark. She said, the little girl, I wish I was married and out of it all. First up, if you take a real interest in your work and now that you can easily meet the demands which will be made upon you, then you are likely to find happiness in it. First up, therefore, it is time well used in your early days. If you work hard to become an expert writer, first up, when you reach a rate of 80 words a minute, do not regard it as the end of the shorthand road, but rather as a step on the road. First up, happily our system of shorthand is such that it is very easy to reach 120 and 140 words a minute, and with a little work much higher rates can be reached. First up, a few points for you to note are: always use good quality paper for your shorthand notes. First up, write lightly, passing quickly from one outline to the next and from the end of one line to the beginning of the next. First up, a light and easy touch is a sure way to increase the rate of writing. First up, make sure that you have a good knowledge of the general rules of the system and of the special short forms. First up, read and copy as much well written shorthand as possible. First up, while taking down, do not think of other things. Think only of the words being read out and of the outlines you are writing. First up, once you know the outline for a word or a set of words, there is no reason why you should not write that outline as quickly as the expert writer. First up.